Welcome to our deep dive into the world of magnetic and optical storage devices. Let's begin by understanding what storage devices are and why they are so crucial in our digital lives. Storage devices are hardware components used to store, port, and extract data files and objects. They are essential for preserving information. They are the backbone of our digital world, allowing us to save everything from documents to high-definition videos. First, let's explore magnetic storage devices, a technology that has been fundamental for decades. Magnetic storage works by magnetizing tiny regions on a ferromagnetic material. These regions represent bits of data, readable by magnetic heads. The most common example is the hard disk drive, or HDD, found in many computers and servers. HDDs offer large storage capacity at an affordable price, but they are slower and more fragile compared to newer technologies. Next, we'll look at portable hard drives, an evolution of magnetic storage designed for convenience. Portable hard drives are compact, self-contained HDDs, often encased in durable shells, making them easy to carry and connect via USB. They are perfect for backing up data, transferring large files, and providing extra storage for laptops on the go. Here you can see a portable hard drive in action, illustrating its ease of use and accessibility.